Creative Storage Systems is proud to present this customer video to Toe Lift and Campbell's Napoleon. For this test, CSS has used a CHEP pallet. The dimensions of this pallet are 40 inches wide by 48 inches deep. The load weight required for the system has a maximum weight of 4,200 pounds and a minimum weight of 3,700 pounds, giving the user an average of 3,950 pounds. The speed controllers are manufactured with a high-strength, glass-reinforced engineered resin. Each speed controller is permanently lubricated and requires no further maintenance. Special bearings are used to prevent dust and other contaminants from entering the main compartment. All speed controllers are installed in the factory and are placed in our patented support mount. The wheels are manufactured with a high-impact polycarbonate alloy resin. They are supported in the channels by zinc-coated axles attached with nylon insert lock nuts. The system track channels are made with heavy-gauge galvanized steel. Stops are installed in the exit section of each lane. The stops are designed in an angle shape with heavy-gauge material. They also have a protective coating which provides resistance against corrosion. This is an overall view of the system CSS has designed for the customer. The inner and outer track configuration consists of double brake channel on 2-inch centers. The overall length of the system is 636 inches. The quality control engineer has loaded the system at the entry end. For this test, CSS has used a pitch of 3/8 inch per foot. The pallet flows to the exit end of the system at a controlled rate of 36 surface feet per minute. The quality control engineer has stopped the pallet and allowed it to restart, doing so under its own power. As you can see, the load comes to a complete stop and no product has shifted on the pallet. A second pallet has been placed at the entry end of the system by the quality control engineer. Again, the pallet flows to the exit end at a controlled rate. The pallet comes to rest behind the first, and as before, no product has shifted. The quality control engineer has loaded the system at the entry end. Again, the pallet flows to the exit end at a controlled rate. The pallet comes to rest behind the first, and as before, no product has shifted. The quality control engineer will now remove the pallet from the exit end of the system. When removing a pallet from this gravity flow system, it is important to plug the load, slightly pushing back on the second pallet with the pallet being removed from the system. CSS would like to thank Towlift and Campbell's Napoleon for purchasing this creative storage system.